Okay, March 14th, 2019. I'm making a quick video here before noon because I had a nice, real quick scalp trade today. So for new day traders, I want to show you why I traded this because this is the kind of stock I'm looking for all the time. So in a previous video, I mentioned this scan that I use. It's called bouncing through vwap. So the parameters that I've designed for this scan basically look for stocks that are down on the day coming back up through vwap. Usually with a little volume. So you can see that I got alerted right here at 10:32, and that was right around here when this volume kicked in and it busted up through VWAP, the purple line's VWAP. So it went up and I got in right away at 25.67, I believe, and you can see what happened. Kind of moved its way slowly up. It's not pretty. It's pretty choppy. But I knew that going in for an early trade. I was just looking for it to give me a quick spike, and then look what happened at 10:55. Big jump up, and I had risked. I think I got in at 25.67. I put my stop at around 55, I think. So basically only a 12-cent buffer. So I was looking for it to go up 24 cents, which is exactly what it did, right up to 91, because that was right here at this pivot point. You can see was 25.91, and that's what I wanted. So as soon as it spiked up, I got out. And as I've mentioned before, is when this happens, when you see a lot of a quick movement up in a 5-minute candle, usually I try to get out right at my first target with all my shares, because the tendency is for it to come back down relatively quickly, which you could see it kind of did. Now it might continue back up, but for me, I was just looking for a quick scalp early in the day to make to get myself into the black early on, which it did. So it hit my target, got out. It kind of continued up to 26. It went over 26, peaked, and came back down. Now, one of the reasons I liked this trade, it showed up in this scan, and one of the reasons why I liked it even more was because of the daily, which you can see here, and I'll tighten it up. It was down big time yesterday, right? It had a big down day yesterday, and then it went through the 200 moving average. This is a daily chart. Each one of these is one day. So yesterday was a big down day through the 200 moving average, which is this green line. You can see that little key here if you're not sure what's what here. So I was looking for it because it showed up in that scan bouncing through VWAP. I figured if it can come up through the 200 moving average on a 5-minute chart, it might be able to make a little movement back up to the 200 moving average on the daily chart. But the issue here was that it went up so quickly that I just didn't think it had the sustainability to continue on for the rest of the day. Now it might settle here and continue back up. Depends on what the SPY is doing, what the NASDAQ is doing the rest of the day. So we'll have to see. But this was a nice quick trade here. It took I was only in it for about 22 minutes. And I got a nice 24-cent bump here. So 1,000 shares, that's $240. 100 shares, it's $24. You know, buy yourself dinner, whatever. So that's it for today. Well, it might not be it for today. I might come back later. Now I'm kind of in autopilot, and so yeah, I'm gonna just kind of monitor some stocks that have gapped today and see if there's any kind of reversals later in the day. But probably be done for the rest of the morning. Probably start trading again around 12:30, 12:45ish. So I might have another video for you later, but I wanted to get this quick one in just to show you. All right. So if I don't have another video late in the day, hopefully I'll be back on Friday. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.